Suno gives you a lot of options to create AI music, and I'm going to demystify the 3 R's. That's remix, remaster, and reuse styles and lyrics. A lot of new Suno newbies or music creators and seasoned creators also get confused on this, and I have been through all of them. I love using it. Hey, subscribe to this channel, like, thumb up this video, and let me hear your comments. If you have used the 3 R's, that's remix, remaster, and reuse styles and lyrics. This is a YouTube short, so I'm going to go through this real quick. Now, first of all, remix, let's talk about remix. You get 2 options. You get cover and you get extend. We're only going to talk about cover. Now, cover, what happens is, if you don't like the song that's generated, you can remix the song with a different style, because you don't want to waste credits on AI prompts. Sometimes you think the AI prompts are not right, but your AI prompt is perfect, but you're not getting the right song. You can remix it and change the style. Let's say, for instance, you have a hip-hop song, but you don't like the trap beat. You can change it. You say hip-hop with a rock beat. Or if you have a heavy metal song and it sounds too punkish, you can say heavy metal, new metal, alt metal, and change that. You can get a different sound. It will not change the song structure or the music itself, okay? So you get the same song with a different style, really. Remaster is really the same song in the different model, okay? So if you started on Suno free and you have like an older model, okay, like Suno 4, you generate the song, you can remaster it at the highest model that's allowed by your plan. You get the same song back, but in a better sound because it's a higher model, okay? So let's say that free plan, Suno 4.0, you generate the music, you upgrade to Suno Pro. Now all of a sudden, you have 5.5 as a model. You can remaster the song, get all the benefits of the higher, newest model. Now, reuse styles and lyrics is for a totally different song. Let's say you like that hip hop song and you want to have another song just like it. You like that heavy metal song, but you want a totally different song. It's the same style, but you want to keep that consistency. Use reuse styles and lyrics. And that's it. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these and what you would like to see more on. See you soon. Thumb up the video.